Conditional formatting, specifically for self-correcting activities, will allow you to create activities so that students can complete an assignment. So for example, here I have spelling words. If the spelling word is pot, I want them to write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And if I type it in here, pot, enter, it will turn green, which means they spelled it correctly. If they spelled it wrong, for example, pit, it will turn red, so that they know automatically that they spelled it wrong. So in order to do this, we use conditional formatting. So anything that's in column B will be the correct answer, the correct typing, which I will give them. Then whatever they put in column C, D, E, F, and G will be whatever they typed. So for example, I'm in cell C3. I'll go to Format, click Conditional Formatting, and you'll see here I already have rules. For example, see here it says C3, if the cell is empty, I want it to be white, which is what it is. But if the text is exactly equal to B3, where the word pot is, I want it to turn green. If the text does not contain B3, then it will turn red. So to show you, for example, I'll be here. There are no rules. When you're under conditional formatting, you'll see add new rule. And the first thing I want to do is change format cells if cell is empty. The default right now is green, but I'm going to choose none. I want it to be completely blank if the cell is empty. I will click done. Then I'll add a second rule where instead of cell is not empty to text is exactly whatever is in B6, which is Fox. So in the value or formula box, I will make sure I write equals B6. And I want it to be green, so that's the default. Click done. Then add one more rule where text does not contain. And I will do equal B6. The equal sign is very important. But instead of default green, I want to choose this red background. Then click done. So when I type in here dog, it will turn red. But if I change it to fox, it will turn green. In order for conditional formatting to work, you need to format each individual cell. But once you have that, you can always make a copy of it and make new activities and just slightly change whatever cell you want the answer key to be from.